Now you go first.
You.
No, you.
You.
No, you.
You.
Okay, we're just gonna sit here and go back and forth.
Okay.
Okay?
Good.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
You go first.
No, you.
No, you.
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 Fine.
Good.
Okay. To be honest, Nicole, you're really funny, really pretty. You have the greatest. We used to have the greatest times in 5th grade and everything. So yeah. You're like super funny. I remember when we went out. Okay.
To be honest, Nicole, you're really pretty, and I really don't know you, but I heard some funny stuff about you and Mrs. What's her name? Kruger.
And we had like really fun times at Walmart and stuff. Yeah. So okay. Bye.
Bye.
Click the